In today's video, we are going to guide you in setting up the MVQ valve positioner using our free software Moneo Configure, which can be downloaded from our website. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the hardware and software used in today's demonstration. The MVQ is a smart valve positioner designed to improve process control. It can continuously monitor a valve actuator position and can directly control the local solenoid. Moneo Configure is an integrated parameter set management suite that ensures the fast setup of your devices. It also allows the parameter setting of I/O-link devices across all manufacturers. Now let's jump into our demo setup. Here we have a complete valve demo setup with a quarter-turn process valve. This setup is compatible with ball, plug, or butterfly valves. It also uses a valve actuator. The control units include a positioner which consists of an MVQ 301 and a dual-coil solenoid pilot valve. Now let's look at how to use Moneo to control our demo setup. The MVQ valve positioner can be set up with a click of a button via Moneo Configure. Here you can see the parameter setting section when you connect the system to a laptop. Next, scroll down to section Valve Setup. Choose the setup mode and click on Write to Device. When the setup mode is successfully written to the device, you will see this pop-up window. The next step is to start setting up the positioner by clicking on Execute Command. Next, click on the dashboard icon on the right of the screen and you will see all of the current process values and the valve position chart. You will be able to enter the target position when the setup is done. Here you can see the front view and the top view of the demo we have shown earlier. When the ring LED flashes white, it shows that the teaching is in progress. The smart sensor senses the current valve position and recognizes the direction of the valve movement. The sensor is also teaching itself on which solenoid it should energize based on the current valve position. The sensor will first fully open and close the valve for a couple of cycles to determine the operating range. It will then fine-tune its control by moving the process valve in smaller steps to its predefined positions. The algorithm is embedded in the sensor, so you don't need to do anything during this process. After the automatic teaching process, the sensor receives the first valve position process value. It is now ready to use. The sensor will send a feedback signal to indicate that the teaching is successful. You can also see this on the main configuration page showing Setup Result. It should read Success here. Now you can enter a target position value on the dashboard page. For example, if you want the valve to move to 50% open, type 50 in the box here and click OK in the window that is popped out. You can see that the valve moved to the position immediately. You can control the valve to any position within the measured range without changing any hardware. You can also see the actual valve position feedback on the dashboard. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.